Hello everybody! In this video I will show you what to do if a browser in your computer doesn't play any sounds. No matter what kind of browser they use, but people sometimes face a situation when sound disappears while viewing web pages. There are certain causes of this problem and they can be eliminated, so don't hurry to the service center. In one of the previous videos, watch the top 3 browsers for Windows. If you are interested, you can watch it, you will find the link in the description. Before going deeper into the browser settings, just make sure the speakers are on and the sound level is not set to the minimum. There might be a power problem or the speakers may be out of order. Next, right-click on the speaker icon in the system tray and select Open Volume Mixer. Find the browser in the mixer and make sure that the sound slider is not in the 0 position and the speaker icon is not crossed in red. You can also try restarting the computer, sometimes it helps the operating system to get back to normal. If your actions did not improve the situation, the root of the problem must be in the browser rather than in the computer settings or failures. Overflowing browser cache can slow it down a lot, and this way affect the speed of sound reproduction. Let's have a look at the method to clean the cache which works with all popular browsers. Open the browser. Press the key sequence Ctrl-Shift-Delete. In the window that opens, click Clear Browsing Data. Then close the browser and open it again. In the course of their work, other programs may change browser settings and trigger a problem. That is why, if clearing cache doesn't help, you can try resetting browser settings to solve the problem with the sound. To do it, go to the menu, Settings, Advanced. At the bottom find Reset, restore settings to their original defaults. When being installed, some programs and extensions change browser settings without your knowing it. Resetting can quickly solve this problem. In addition, the system will disable all extensions and delete temporary files. Saved bookmarks and passwords will remain untouched. I have shown you how to reset browser settings with the example of Google Chrome. Other browsers have this function as well. Sometimes problems with the sound in browsers happen because Adobe Flash Player works incorrectly. A fresh installation of this utility can also help to tackle the problem. To reinstall Adobe Flash Player, uninstall it completely. To do it, go to Control Panel, Programs and Features, find Adobe Flash Player on the list of installed programs and remove it in a standard way. After that, go to Adobe official website and download the latest version. You can find a link to download Adobe Flash Player in the description. Install the utility and restart the computer. Now open your browser to check if the problem with the sound is solved. Please note that some browsers like Google Chrome have Adobe Flash Player pre-installed, so you cannot remove it from there to reinstall. That is why in such browsers Adobe Flash Player can be reinstalled or updated together with the browser only. If you have such kind of browser, you will not see Adobe Flash Player among other programs in Programs and Features menu. Another thing causing sound problems can be extensions installed in your browser. An extension is a piece of software that adds functions to a browser. Usually browsers are installed without extensions, but in the course of using it, you may have installed a program that can disable sound for certain web pages only. Check the extensions installed in your browser and make sure that they don't affect sound. To do it, go to your browser extensions and disable or remove those that look suspicious. If none of the methods with changing browser settings helped you, try uninstalling it completely and then reinstalling again. If you think about changing your browser, I recommend watching a review of alternative browsers for Windows. Find the link to the video in the description. Often problems with sound can be related to incorrect work of software in charge of playing audio files. If this is the case, reinstalling your browser will not solve the problem. There are 2 ways to tackle a sound card driver issue. Download the software from the sound card manufacturer website and start the installation. You can also use the installation disk with the driver that you find in the box with the sound card. or use Automatic Driver Update in Device Manager. There can hardly be any questions concerning the first option, so let's have a closer look at the automatic update of your sound card drivers. To do it, open Device Manager, select Sound, Video and Game Controllers. In the window that opens, right-click on your playback device and select Update Driver Software. Sometimes you may have to restart your computer. If none of the methods in this video helped you, it must be a hardware problem and you might have to go to a service center. Visit our channel to watch videos about recovering data, reinstalling, resetting or recovering Windows, and many other things. If you found this video useful, click the like button below and subscribe to our channel to see more. Thank you for watching and good luck!